So here's how to make shorts with AI. For this video, we will be using InVideo AI. You can go ahead and click on my link down in the description to get to InVideo AI. So as you can see, we're already in the InVideo website. To get here, just click on the link in the description. And on the top here, we will get to see all of these options. You can choose from any one that you like. But for now, let's check out their pricing. So go ahead and click on the pricing tab from the top panel. After that, you'll be redirected to this page over here. You can see all the prices and plans that they offer, starting with free, plus, max, and generative. You can also check out their pricing for monthly and yearly. If you choose yearly, you will get 20% off. Now, if you already have an account, just click on Login on the top. Or you can click on my link to sign up. After that, you will be logged in to InVideo AI. And as you can see, this is the main interface. This is where you can type in your desired prompt. And on the bottom here, you can see all of these options you can choose from. So, for this video, let's check out Create Short Video over here. After that, if you click on this section, you can choose from fast-paced and very fast-paced. Then, you can also choose what the video is for, such as YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, etc. I will go with YouTube Shorts. Now, type in your topic over here. You can type in whatever topic that you want the short to be. For example, I will type in something like create a video based on top 5 F1 cars and make the intro exciting. This way, you can add any topic that you want. It can be about any of your desired topics. And once you're done typing in the topic, you can also add additional information such as make the intro exciting or anything else that you want to add. That way, InVideo will get an idea on how the video should be. Once you're done, go over to the settings section over here, then select the source of the footages over here. After that, you can also add additional sections like background music. So if you select background music, you can also add additional descriptions like fast and energetic. This way, you can go ahead and describe the music that you want to add in the background, and InVideo will do the rest. Then, you can also select language. Here, you can go through the options and select whichever language that you want. And for subtitles, you can select how you want the subtitles to be. After that, we have voice actors. In this section, you can select the gender as well as the voice for your video. So go through these options and choose the one that you like. Then we have watermark text. Here, you can also type in a text that you want to use as a watermark for this short. Then we have music preference. Over here, you can select from any of these options for your music preference. Lastly, we have stock preference. You can select from these options to adjust the setting as well. And once you're done, just click on Continue on the bottom right. And as you can see over here, InVideo created a prompt. Just click on Generate a Video. After that, you will get to see something like this. It says Analyzing. Now, Thinking. And as you can see, we already got a title for our video. Then over here, you can select the duration for your short. You have options like 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and 1 minute. So go through these options and select your desired duration. For this video, I will go with 1 minute. Then, go ahead and set the audience for your short. Based on your topic, you will have different options to choose from. For this one, I will go ahead and select F1 fans. Then, on the platform, select your desired platform where you want to post this short. After that, click on Continue. And as you can see, our first short is now being generated by InVideo. Sometimes it may take a little while, so you need to be patient and wait it out. And as you can see, our first short has now been created. You can play it and check it out. And on the bottom here, you can change the playback speed of your short. Just click on this option and it will change. Then, on the settings section, you have the option to change the resolution of the playback. And below it, you have options to edit it or download the video. And if you click on the top bar, you can also change these settings as well. So let's go ahead and click on Edit. Here, you'll be able to see all the different media footages that has been used for this short, and it is divided by different chapters. You can select a specific footage and replace it with uploaded media, stock media, or generative media. For this, I will select Upload Media, then choose a media from my desktop, and as you can see, it's now being uploaded. So once your media is done being uploaded, just click on Replace. And as you can see, your selected footage has been replaced. This way, you can replace any of the media that you want. Now, let's go ahead and check out music on the top. But before that, we will need to save the previous changes. So click on Save, and then, as you can see, our changes are now being saved. After that, go ahead and play the video to check out your new changes. Make sure that everything is fine. Then, click on Edit again. Now, let's go over to the music section. Here, you can view the music added by InVideo. You can also change or replace the music with your desired music. If you select stock music, you'll be able to choose from all of these options available. Choose your desired music and click on Replace. Then, click on Apply on the bottom. And as you can see, the music has been changed. And before moving on to the next section, we will need to save this change as well. So click on Save Changes. And as you can see, the changes are being applied. So after that, check out the music as well. Then click on Edit. So now on the Edit section, let's click on Script on the top. This is where you can see all the script that has been used for your short. You can edit any part of your script. Just go ahead and select whichever part that you want to change. For example, I will select this entire text. Then, just type in whatever you want to replace it with. So as an example, I will type in something like best cars of all time. This way, you can replace any of the text that you want. And after you're done typing in your new text, you can also make changes to other lines as well. And on the right here, you have all of these options to customize as well. And if you click on the three dots over here, you will get to see these additional options for your chapter. Now, let's click on the plus icon over here. You can add text element, stock media, generative media, or speaker. So, you can change the speaker setting. And after making your changes, click on Add. Then, let's click on the text element option. After that, you can select any of these styles and also add the text. Then click on Add. And once you're done making all the changes, click on Save Changes. And as you can see here, the changes are being saved. Now, once it's done, just go ahead and play your short in order to check it out. Then click on Download over here. Now, set the download settings from these options. You can set type of watermarks, then InVideo AI branding, and download resolution. After that, just click on Continue. And since we're using the free version, you will need to wait for the download to begin, since we're waiting in turn before the other people gets their downloads. In the meantime, on the top right here, you will get to see your video being rendered. Before being able to download it, you will need to wait for it to get to 100%. After that, just wait for InVideo to finalize your video. This may take a little while. And once it's done, you'll be able to set the visibility settings for this video on InVideo's platform. You can also click on Edit to make any changes, and your download will start automatically. If not, just click on Download on the bottom. And that is exactly how to make shorts with AI.